Namaste, I'm Acharya Pratishtha and I welcome you to this Sunday special episode of Yoga with Acharya Pratishtha. A lot of people are requesting us that they cannot take out a specific particular time for yoga practice, and all what they want to know is a specific capsule to reduce the facial fat, to reduce the double chin, to have a toned face. That's what they want. So in this video, let's do 3 minutes of practice, which you can do anytime during daytime. Just keep this screen in front of you. With me, you practice this 3 minutes of capsule to have slim face and a toned face. Practice these kriyas with me for 3 minutes. Keep your spine and your neck straight and stretch your jaw forward, backward, forward, backward. Feel the effect at your face and at your throat. Forward, backward, forward, backward. Keep practicing it. Now look up and as if you're trying to kiss the sky. That should be the movement. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Keep repeating it and feel the stretch at the sides. You can also see in the video. Now twist your neck towards left side and as if you're trying to kiss towards left side. That should be the movement, and you can feel the stretch at the sides of your face and at your cheeks. Keep repeating, keep practicing. Bring your neck straight and twist it towards your left side, and again as if you're trying to kiss towards left side. That should be the movement, and you can feel the stretch at your sides and at your cheeks. Keep repeating with the video. Straight. Now stretch your face and back. Stretch back. You can feel the effect at your entire face and your throat. Stretch back. Stretch back. Rarely we give movement to our face. These practices are very important. Now fill air in your cheeks and give circular movement to the air in your cheeks, clockwise. Circular movement clockwise. Complete clockwise movement. Keep practicing. Then anti-clockwise circular movement with air filled in your mouth. You can feel its effect in your entire face, your cheeks, as well as your mouth. Relax. Now again, fill air in your cheeks and move the air left, right, inside your cheeks. And make sure that your neck is straight, your shoulders are straight, your body, your back is straight during the entire practice. So take the air to right, left, right, left, right, left. Keep practicing. Relax. And then smile, smile and back. Smile, back. Smile, back. Keep repeating it. Very simple practices, but very, very effective. And then you need to laugh. Last 30 seconds, you need to laugh without any pause. Thank you.